Hi, this is Swati. Today we are going to discuss about topic identifiers and operators. Let us start with identifiers. What are identifiers? These are user-defined words. Identifiers are used to identify programming elements, which are also known as programming constructs. There are some rules which need to be followed while defining identifiers. Identifier is a collection of alphabets, digits, and special characters. Special characters, it allows only two special characters: underscore and dollar. Identifier must start with underscore or alphabet. Identifier should be a single word. Spaces are not allowed. Identifier should not be a reserved word. Let us see some naming conventions in Java to define these identifiers. Java naming convention is a rule to follow as you decide what to name your identifiers such as class, package, variable, constant, method, etc. But it is not forced to follow. So it is called convention but not rule. All the classes, interface, package, methods and fields of programming elements are given according to the Java naming conventions. What is the advantage of these naming conventions? By using standard naming convention, you make your code easy to read for yourself and even for the other programmers. Readability of Java program is very important. It indicates that less time is spent to figure out what code does. Naming convention for class. It should start with uppercase letter and should be a noun. Example: string and TS is the example for class. Next naming convention for interface. It should start with uppercase letter and should be an adjective. Let us see an example. Runnable, remote, Next naming convention for method. Method name should start with lowercase letter and should be a verb. Example: action. Next naming convention for variable should start with lowercase letter. Example: TS first name. Next naming convention for package should be in lowercase letter. Example: Java, lang. Naming convention for constants should be in uppercase letters. Example: red, TS, etc. Let us talk about camel case in Java naming convention. Java follows camel case syntax for naming the class, interface, methods and variable. If name is combined with two words, second word should start with uppercase letter. Example: action performed, where action performed is example for method. Second word perform starts with uppercase letter P. Let us take other example. String class is an example for class name where second word class starts with uppercase letter C. This is all about identifiers in Java and naming conventions. Let us talk about operators in Java. Operators in Java is a symbol that is used to perform operations. There are many types of operators in Java, such as unary, arithmetic, relational, shift, bitwise, ternary,